ClickOnCare.com.
Hi friends, this is Ankita from ClickOnCare, back again with a new product review. Today my product review is going to be on Brite cream. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, and while you're there, don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss the video update from ClickOnCare. Brite cream, its benefit is it depigments the spot, it brightens your skin, then it removes the dark spot from your skin, and many other. This is marketed by Wallah's Revealer. And if I unbox this product, this is how it looks like, and you'll get how to use the directions out here. The main ingredient of this product is it has purified water, glycerol, monosol, stearic acid, and many other. Using this product is very easy. Apply it at the night, 30 minutes before going to bed. Wash your face properly and apply it. Apply a thin layer. So guys, this is it for today. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, like, share and comment. And if you want to purchase this product, visit our site www.ClickOnCare.com or check the link in the description box. Thank you.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and